रफाल मामले की तफसील मनोहर पर्रिकर के बेडरूम में होने के कांग्रेस के दावे पर गोवा के वजीर विश्वजीत राणे ने कांग्रेस पर इल्जाम आयद किया है। राणे का कहना है कि ऑडियो टेप से छेड़छाड़ की गई। उन्होंने इस पूरे मामले की जांच का मुतालबा किया। राणे ने इस सिलसिले में पार्टी सदर अमित शाह को खत भी लिखा है।
They have stooped to such a low level to doctor a video to create miscommunication and between the cabinet and between our chief minister. Manohar Parrikar has never made any kind of reference to Rafale or made any kind of reference to any kind of documents or anything. I have already informed my party president and national party president Shri Amit Shah ji regarding the happenings of the doctored video. I have also sent a detailed email along with a copy of the letter written to my Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar asking for a criminal investigation and also the voice to be tested by any specialized agency. Congress party is a defunct and is a party that has got no kind of ground. They don't have issues. They are trying to create and sensationalize the Rafale. Never has this discussion of this issue taken place. This doctored video needs to be investigated by the police and the crime branch, and I have also written to my national party president Shri Amit Shah ji to please ask any top national agency to investigate into it and to come out so that these mischievous culprits can be exposed.